Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall an app on your Windows 11 operating system. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways in which you can remove an app on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's see them one by one. So let me show you the first way. So for the first way, what you can do, you can just click on this search icon and then just select apps here, and then you can search for apps. So I want to remove an app called Wiser, so I can just search for that app and then I can see this app here in the result. So when I search for this app, I can see this app on the left hand side, and on the right hand side I have this app and I have some options. So I can just open it as administrator, and I also have the option to uninstall this app. So you can just click on uninstall and it's going to uninstall this app from your Windows 11 operating system. So let me just click on uninstall here, and when I click on uninstall, it's going to redirect me to this window where I can see the list of all the apps once again, and I can choose which app I want to remove. So I want to remove this app, and then I can just select this app and then click on uninstall, which is going to start the process of uninstallation of this app. And you can see this app is now uninstalled from my Windows 11 operating system. So now I don't see this app in this list. I can close this window and then I can search for this app once again, and this time it will not appear, right? So this app is uninstalled from my Windows 11 operating system. So this was the first way. Let me show you the second way by which you can delete your apps. And for this, you can just right click on your Windows 11 operating system. So right click and not left click, and then click on settings here. And once the settings window opens, you can see this apps section here. So just click on apps and then click on the first option, which is apps and features. And then you can see all the apps which are installed on your Windows 11 operating system. And then if you decide to uninstall some app, so let me search for some app which I can uninstall. Let's say I want to remove the VirtualBox app, which is this one. I can just click on these 3 dots and then click on uninstall, and it's going to uninstall this app from my Windows 11 operating system. So let me do that. I'm going to just click on uninstall, and it says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So I'm going to just click on uninstall, and now it gives me this warning. I will just click on yes, and it's going to remove this app from my Windows 11 operating system. So you can see gathering required information. I need to wait for some time until this uninstallation takes place. And once the uninstall process is finished, you can see this app is removed from my Windows 11 operating system. So this was the second way by which you can remove apps from your Windows 11 operating system. Let me show you the third way. For that, just click on search option and then search for control panel. Okay, and then once you see this in the result, click on control panel, and here under programs, so just sort them by category. Just choose category here, and under program you will be able to see this section which says uninstall a program, which is essentially going to open the same window which we have seen in the first method. And now you can just select an app and then click on uninstall, which is going to uninstall that app from your Windows 11 operating system. So these are the few different ways in which you can uninstall an app from your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.